In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect your Facebook account from Instagram. So if the two accounts are connected, you can disconnect them, and I'm going to show you how. You can do it inside of Instagram. So first open up the Instagram app, then go to your profile in the bottom right hand corner. Once you're there, you want to click on the three lines in the top right. Now that's going to then open up your settings and privacy. And from here, you need to find the account center. So mine is right at the top. You can also search it if it's not there, but nonetheless, go to Accounts Center. Now, once you're here, you want to then click on Profiles. And then once you've done that, here you'll see the accounts and profiles that you've got connected. So make sure that the account you want to delete is there. Mine is the Facebook account, so that's good. So we're going to go back. And then what we need to do once we're inside the Account Center is just scroll down, and here you'll see Accounts. Click on Accounts. You'll then see your accounts again. I'm going to remove this Facebook, so click Remove. And then I'm going to click Remove Account, Continue, Yes, Remove Bradley Steve. And there you go. Once that processes, it will be removed, and that's all you need to do. So I hope that quick video did help you out.